I need to give you an update. Something has shifted. And if you're sensitive, intuitive, mission driven, you already feel it. You've already felt it. For years, we were told heal yourself, do your work, fix your trauma, find peace in a broken system. It was a solitary ascent model, lone wolf spirituality. And I'm here to tell you that era is over. It's behind us. It's Derrick here, and what I'm witnessing right now in my office, in my virtual sessions, in the collective nervous system of the planet is a frontline shift. The old paradigm of isolated healing is cracking, and something new is forming. Not codependency, savior complexes, but joint extraction. We are no longer here to heal ourselves alone. We're here to extract one another from these outdated old paradigms and pieces of stages of consciousness that's going away. Let's talk about the old math that we're phasing out. You were placed in environments early in life where your pain was private. Your anxiety was yours alone to manage. Your trauma was yours to fix. That's your problem. It's nobody else's problem. Your illness was your burden. And then as you grew older, you were told things like you need to meditate more, you need to eat cleaner, you need to think more positively, and don't even speak until you're fixed. Do you understand how psychologically damaging that is? You were trained to believe that struggling publicly was a failure, that you were a failure. So you tried to win a private war in hostile territory all alone, all by yourself. And many of you burned out, went silent, or secretly believed that you had failed at life. Here's what's coming through loud and clear as we're going into spring of 2026. The cellular network model, no single cell survives alone. It thrives through connection, communication, shared resources. Your healing was never meant to terminate with you. It was training. You weren't meant to climb out of the rubble by yourself. You were meant to form teams. Some of you are still trying to earn your place by proving that you can survive alone. That's the old survival code. Independence is not the same as isolation, and hyper independence is often unprocessed trauma that gets dressed up as strength. The system that wounded you benefits when you stay isolated because isolated people don't organize. Connected people organize. Now, before you go any further, you can't extract anyone from a collapsing structure if your own base is unstable. So that means things like sleep, nutrition, nervous system regulation. That's not you being self indulgent. That's a necessity. That's logistics for this. You are maintaining your own internal communications with this bigger interface. Your physical vessel is the vehicle for your mission. An empty cup can't conduct an operation like this. So the first question is, are you safe? Do you feel stable? Do you feel connected? Do you feel resourced? Are you connected to yourself? Are you connected to your community? Are you connected to what is going to be life giving for you? If not, start there first, okay? No shame or blame, just strategy. That's where we're at. It's not a right or wrong or a good or a bad. It's just, okay, let's start here. Let me tell you something I have seen repeatedly in the field. Breakthrough rarely happens through solo willpower. It happens through shared objectives. I've watched clients shift addictive patterns, not because they were shamed into quitting, but because they brought their partner into the mission. The shame dissolved when the goal became something that was a collective mission. The nervous system relaxes when it knows that it's not alone. Humans are biologically wired for coordinated survival. You were never meant to white knuckle your evolution. Something else is happening, and I'm watching spontaneous networks form across the planet, which is really cool. Clients are referring each other, communities are building organically, people are recognizing the resonance with people that are on their wavelength. I think that's really exciting, and that's not accidental, that's pattern recognition. When one person stabilizes their internal world, they become qualified to guide another person, somebody else, through that exact same corridor. That's how those extraction teams form, and you survive something, you get to map it, and you get to be that guide for someone else. You get to be the one that says, hey, I've been there, I get that, and how can I be of service to you? And show them the way. Gets you out of yourself. That's where all the suffering lives, is when we're too caught up in our own BS, our own mind. So get out of yourself, be of service. Here's the directive: your healing journey is not you being selfish. You're training, your soul is training. You're becoming a qualified soul operative for someone else's liberation in the future as well. So it's way beyond just you. You must also know who to call for your own. So here are some steps. Number one, audit your logistics. Is your cup full enough to give? If no, it's time for you to fortify yourself first. You have to fill your own cup up first, and you give from the overflow. Number two is identify your mapped terrain. What have you survived? What do people naturally come to you for? Like, what is the thing that all of your friends are like, oh, you gotta call this person for that? Like, they totally get that. Work with that. That's your natural, what's called Wu Wei, your natural effortless gift. That's your specialty. Number three is scan for resonance. Who is already on your wavelength? Who is already feeling safe, clear, that who's already reciprocal energetically, where there's a good energy exchange, where it's not a one-sided thing where you're giving and giving and giving, but who's giving it back? Acknowledge them and really work on strengthening those bonds. Quality over quantity all day. Number four is request and offer support. Ask, share intelligence, trade insight. Don't gatekeep information. That's so in the past. Stop doing that and start sharing, start adding value, start trading insight. giving people intelligence, giving people knowledge and wisdom, not telling them what to do, but sharing with them so they can decide themselves what to do. But no more one sided rescues, equal energy exchange only. Let's be clear, this is not codependency, this is coordinated sovereignty. You are responsible for your nervous system, but you are required to heal, or you're not required to heal in a vacuum. The era of figure this stuff out alone is over. That's gone. That's collapsing. That collapse is absolutely necessary. There's always chaos before the next higher level of order. That's what's happening. Because isolated healing is what keeps people small. And working together, that's what builds leaders. And we're all leaders. If you felt lonely on your own path, if you believed that you should be further along, if you secretly thought you were just failing because you still needed help, you were operating on an old, outdated model. The new frequency says we do this together, we rise together, we stabilize together, we extract together. You're not weak for needing support. That's human. You're intelligent for building that. Now, if you can feel that you're in a transition, if you know you're meant to be part of something more coordinated, that's exactly the work I facilitate privately. Not dependency or savior dynamics, but strategic nervous system stabilization and alignment with your soul's mission. Inside my private containers and communities, we map your internal terrain and we identify what is your soul here to do. We connect you with aligned resonance. And if you're ready to stop fighting those wars all by yourself and step into a coordinated level of evolution, reach out. Those links are down below. And whether you work with me or not, look around who's already on your team, text them, send them a message, strengthen that bond. The lone wolf era is over, and the new network is forming. If you're watching this, you're already a part of that. So take good care, and I'll see you in the next one. Like the video if you want, share the video if you want, subscribe to the channel if you want, and share this video with another friend of yours who is on that wavelength and is going to benefit from this. And let me know down in the comments, what was your major takeaway? Let's ground this into reality right now so it can start building and building for you. Take good care. Bye bye.